Hello everyone, my name is Rata Beryl Baresa NPM 23412042. Here I will discuss about Income Tax Article 25 definition of PPH. Article 25 PPH. Article 25 is a provision regarding the payment of periodic income tax installments for individual and corporate taxpayers. Income Tax Article 25 functions as an advance payment to reduce the amount of income tax payable at the end of the tax year. PPH Tax Regulations. Article 25. The latest regulations regarding taxation are regulated in the HPP Law No. 7 of 2021, concerning harmonization of tax regulations issued on October 29, 2021. Based on the HPP Law No. 7 of 2021, Corporate Tax Planning PPH. Article 25. Through fiscal reconciliation to reduce the tax burden by using report data commercial profit and loss in 2021 and data on acquisition of non-land fixed assets. The calculation of income tax. Article 25 is carried out based on the tax payable in the previous year, with the aim that taxpayers can pay the tax in stages every month, and regulate how to calculate the amount of monthly installments that taxpayers must pay themselves during the fiscal year. Then in the self-assessment tax system, where the tax payable is determined by the taxpayer himself, the tax is paid off during the current year. And there is also a payment and collection system, namely self-payment withholding system. The procedure for calculating PPH. Article 25 is for individual and corporate taxpayers. The amount of PPH. Article 25 installments is calculated from the amount of income tax payable last year, from the annual income tax SPT, minus any tax deductions or credits that have been paid, such as PPH. Article 21, PPH. Article 22, PPH. Article 23, and Income Tax. Article 24. Installment size. The deduction result is divided by 12, or for monthly installments, unless the taxpayer applies for an installment adjustment due to significant changes in business conditions or income. Procedure for depositing income tax. Article 25, namely deposit deadline. Monthly installments of income tax. Article 25 must be deposited no later than the 15th of the following month. For example, installments for January must be paid no later than February 15th. Tax account code, or KAP, and deposit type code, or KJS. When making a deposit, taxpayers must use the KAP and KJS that correspond to the type of tax and PPH. Article 25 deposits. Deposit means payments can be made through designated perception banks or POS Indonesia, or electronically using the DJP e-billing platform to simplify the payment process. Procedure for reporting income tax. Article 25, namely Income Tax. Article 25 does not require monthly reporting like other types of taxes. However, when payments for PPH. Article 25 have been made during the year, they must still be reported in the annual income tax SPT, or both for individual and corporate taxpayers. Reporting in the annual SPT, all installments of PPH. Article 25 paid during the current year must be accumulated and included in the annual SPT report as a deduction from the tax payable. Supporting documents. Proof of monthly deposit or proof of withholding of income tax. Article 25 installments also needs to be kept as proof of payment if verification is required. Object of PPH. Article 25 previous year's outstanding income of individuals and entities. Taxable income affected by tax deductions or credits. Adjustments to profit income from companies or business entities. The object of Income Tax. Article 25, or PPH. Article 25, includes taxable income which is the basis for tax installments paid by taxpayers every month. Subjects of income tax, or PPH, Article 25 are individuals or entities who are obliged to pay income tax installments every month during the current tax year. Article 25 income tax subjects include individual taxpayers, certain entrepreneurs, or WPOPPT. Individual taxpayers other than certain entrepreneurs, or WPOPSPT. Corporate taxpayers. Bank corporate taxpayer. Taxpayers of state-owned enterprises, or BUMN, and regional-owned enterprises, or BUMD. Terms of payment of monthly installments by taxpayers. Monthly installments that taxpayers must pay themselves during the current tax year. Specifically the amount of tax installments that must be paid for the first 2 months, before the deadline for submitting the annual income tax return. If the tax assessment letter for the previous tax year was issued in the current tax year. Government regulations regulate the payment of foreign fiscal taxes for individual taxpayers residing abroad. For certain individual entrepreneur taxpayers, The monthly installment is payment of the tax owed for the relevant tax year. Conclusion. PPH Article 25 is the payment of income tax installments which aims to lighten the taxpayer's tax burden at the end of the year. This installment is calculated based on the tax payable from the previous year, which is adjusted for other tax credits, such as PPH Articles 21, 22, 23, or 24. PPH Article 25 also has special provisions that regulate the calculation, payment time, and adjustment procedures if there is a significant change in income in the current year. Overall, PPH Article 25 is designed to improve tax compliance, assist taxpayers' cash management, and ensure a more stable flow of state revenue throughout the tax year. Thank you.